To start making money online and become financially free in our days, you need a proven, unique strategy that brings results. To have long-term success, you must follow social media rules, create contents, and spend lots of money mastering ad networks. It can be hard work if you lack the support and the right knowledge. That is where J Wealth Hustle comes in. After several years of investing my hard-earned money, experimenting with most of the guru's courses on the market, and helping other entrepreneurs with their online journey, I have developed a unique, proven strategy that has the power to transform any 9-to-5 worker into a 6-figure per year online business earner. How, do you ask? Hi, I'm Julian, and I previously worked in a warehouse for minimum wage. It was not easy to develop this strategy. To be frank, I had to fail 6 times and go through hell to learn what I know today. Especially when the pandemic hit and I lost my minimum wage job, I couldn't even afford to buy groceries anymore. But, long story short, I noticed something along the way that changed the game for me, for my family, and some of my working mates when I started doing it. The biggest problem people are having when starting an online business is lack of support. Plus, the courses you can get today are mostly outdated, and the strategies aren't profitable anymore. As a result, you are wasting your money on ads and outdated courses before you figure it out. Also, new entrepreneurs fail to be consistent. Unfortunately, this is a big part of success. However, it's hard to stay consistent when you don't know if you're on the right path and you don't see instant gratification, right? That is why support is very important and made a difference in my case. When I started receiving support from smart people, my business grew 7 times in 2 months. So, knowing all of this, I have created the perfect ecosystem where entrepreneurs can quickly master the high-income skills and receive the necessary support from the right people when needed, which makes all of the difference. Using the newly mastered high-income skills and my proven strategy on how to make money online, I will set you on the right path for success, where you will find support along the way so you can start claiming the life you deserve. My top priority is your business success, and I will treat you as I treat myself. But I have to be honest, my unique strategy is 100% safe and specifically designed to boost your personal and business growth within an affiliate marketing business. It can make miracles, but you have to put in the work. The business model is classic and profitable, but my strategy is uniquely adapted for the current times and makes it even more profitable. Our company is growing quickly, and so will you when you become part of our family. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a proven business model that changes the lives of so many people worldwide, and I am one of them. It can change yours too. If this sounds like something you would like to do, click the start button now and sign up for the free quick training. You deserve a break.